You don't lack focus. You are addicted to distraction. Every scroll, every notification, every quick hit of pleasure, it's rewiring your brain to stay weak. And the worst part? You don't even notice it anymore. Your attention is broken. Your discipline is fading. Your time is slipping away quietly. You wake up and reach for your phone. You tell yourself it's just for a minute, but minutes turn into hours. And by the time you finally try to do something meaningful, your mind is already tired. This is the trap. Cheap dopamine has trained you to avoid effort, to run from boredom, to quit the moment things feel hard. And as long as you stay in this cycle, you will stay average. I realized this the hard way, so I made a decision. 7 days, no distractions, no easy dopamine, a full reset. Day 1 was uncomfortable. Silence felt loud. Boredom felt heavy. My mind kept reaching for something, anything. I wanted to check my phone. I wanted to escape. But I didn't. I sat with it. And that's where it starts, not with action, but with resistance. You have to face the urge without giving in. Day 2 and 3 were worse. My brain pushed back. Hard. It told me I needed stimulation, that I deserved a break, that this was pointless. But I started to see the truth. Those thoughts weren't real needs. They were habits. And habits can be broken. So I replaced them. No scrolling. I read. No noise. I sat in silence. No constant entertainment. I worked. Slowly, something changed. By day 4, my mind started to clear. I could focus longer. Simple tasks didn't feel painful anymore. I wasn't constantly looking for an escape. And that's when I understood something most people never realize. Focus is not something you find. It's something you train. By day 5 and 6, discipline became easier. Not because it got easy, but because I got stronger. I stopped reacting to every impulse. I started controlling it. That's the shift. You go from being controlled to being in control. By day 7, it felt different. Calm, sharp, intentional. I could sit down and work without forcing myself. I could think clearly. I could act without hesitation. Not because I changed everything, but because I removed what was destroying me. And you can do the same. You don't need more motivation. You need less distraction. Start small. Remove one thing that wastes your time. Then another. Then another. Sit in boredom without running away. Do the work even when your mind resists. Because that resistance is the gateway. On the other side of it is a version of you that most people will never become. Focused, disciplined, unstoppable. But it won't happen if you keep feeding the same habits. It won't happen if you keep choosing easy. 7 days, that's all it takes to start rewiring your brain. But only if you commit. Only if you stop negotiating with yourself. So decide right now. Are you going to keep chasing distractions? Or are you finally ready to take your mind back? Because every moment you delay, you are training yourself to stay weak. And every moment you take control, you are becoming someone else.